subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Popular tipster, Evan Blass, at Leaks, has provided a very illuminating video of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, build for release in August. The 360-degree video confirms much of the predicted specifications of the set of new Samsung smartwatches using the Android-based Wear OS instead of Samsung's Tizen OS. Thanks to a combination of leakers and other sources, much of the design, features, and pricing information about the lineup of new Samsung Galaxy smartwatches are already available. The brief video by Evan Blass further highlighted some of these specs while revealing a few more details. The Galaxy Watch 4 Classic video shows a circular Super AMOLED display, a rotating bezel, removable silicone straps, and the likely inclusion of an LTE variant of the model. 3 color options are available for the Watch 4 Classic: black, silver and white, while 2 color options are available for the watch cover. The Galaxy Watch 4 Classic has many functionalities and sensors that make it a health and fitness gem. It has an accelerometer, barometer, gyro, GPS, heart rate monitor, sleep tracker, and an array of other features. The Venue 3 a 247 mAh battery. The Galaxy Watch 4 Classic also has IP68 dust and water resistance, which is a great feature, especially outdoors. Support for Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, Qi wireless charging will also be available. As said earlier, the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 lineup will be using Wear OS 3.0, which provides greater functionality and access to apps. In addition, users will have access to more watch faces and an optimized battery performance for the device. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.